Miley Cyrus engagement ring stuns at $450,000 value. Custom design shines at premiere. A ring catches the light, worth nearly $500,000 maybe. Miley Cyrus wore it first at a grand premiere, her hand resting casually against the red carpet backdrop. Maxx Morando, her fiancé, stood beside her, a drummer aged 27, his presence quieter than the jewelry's glare. The piece, a custom creation, holds a cushion-cut gem in heavy 14-karat gold, set in a way that feels both bold and current. Years earlier, their story started. Back in 2021, whispers tied them together after a late-night sighting at a televised event. By the next spring, they shared public moments, lips brushing in plain view, and soon after, in 2024, their lives merged under one roof. That early connection, sparked through a setup where one knew more than the other, carried a gap of several years between their ages, half a decade or so. Yet the ring now overshadows those details, its estimated value bouncing between a modest $150,000 and a staggering $450,000, depending on who's guessing. That band again. A thick, modern frame hugging a 4 to 5 carat stone, positioned east to west, sleek and minimal. Experts murmur over its origins, whether mined from the earth or grown in a lab, could slash its worth down to just $15,000. Either way, it sits heavy on the finger, a quiet statement louder than any song. Wealth splits them wide apart, though. Miley Cyrus commands a fortune near $160 million, built from years of singing, acting, and captivating crowds. Morando, drumming for bands in the alternative scene, holds a fraction at roughly $3 million, a number that pales beside hers. Picture a small car next to a sprawling estate, that's the scale of it. Or think of a modest dinner bill against a lavish wedding feast. Still, the choice of such an extravagant piece suggests a balance beyond mere numbers. Back to that premiere night in 2025, when confirmation of their bond arrived just a day later. The buzz had already started, but the focus keeps drifting to the gold, the gem, the sheer weight of what it might mean. Not everything fits neatly into a price tag, though. Some things just linger, unexplained, like a half-read book on a bedside table.